Hi guys, how are you doing? I just would like to do a quick review for the Gizmo Gadget Guy transmitter that I got recently. That's the professional edition, I think they called it, or something like that. It's can be used, or it's need to be used with any car that it doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth. So simply the phone will be connected to this device by Bluetooth, and then it's transmitting on a specific radio channel, and that you can choose, and then you listen to the music exactly like you have a Bluetooth in your car. What I did just extra, I didn't connect it to the lighter here just to get better results. I connected to a battery bank here, as you can see. That's the battery bank here, and that's the USB power for it, and it's just sound perfect, exactly like Bluetooth. So here's my phone. I will hit play here, and that's the music. Exactly, yeah. And here is, you can next previous song, bass mode, and you can also adjust the volume. It's actually perfect device, worth every penny I spend on it. And the gentleman who sell this, he's a very honest guy. I dealt with him twice, and he helped me a lot to choose the right product, because the Mercedes-Benz has a special kind of optic cables between the stereo and the speakers. Yeah, so he helped me to choose the right product. So I would recommend it strongly. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.